Are you looking for a fast and effective way to even up your skin tone, get rid of age spots or whatever it is, any discolorations fast and naturally? Well, guess what? That is the #1 skincare concern mid-year 2019, and we're gonna talk about what you can do fast and effective to take care of this problem in this video. Well, hey everybody, I'm Chris Gibson, and this is Chris Gibson Live, where we help you look good, feel good, so you can live good. And I'm really happy you're here. If you're new, please take a moment and subscribe to the channel and hit the little notification bell so that you get notified when I have new videos up. We talk about all sorts of interesting and great tips and tricks here on the channel, and I'm happy you're here. And welcome back to those of you in the community. Today we're going to talk about a problem: skin tone, skin discolorations, and how to make those even and look flawless without makeup. And we're going to give you some treatments on how to do that. So no matter your age, gender, or ethnicity, uneven skin color is one of those things that we all have to deal with at some point. It is one of the joys of being human. Genetics, aging, sun damage, all of those things conspire and contribute to discoloration of the skin in all of us. So it's just one of those things that you have to deal with. Fortunately, there are some natural and very effective ways to deal with this problem, so much so that you might even ditch your concealer for good. So if you're ready to learn these fast and easy fixes, type "I'm ready" in the comments below and let's dig in. Okay, my first fix is a scrub. And you know, you guys that follow me know I'm really big on exfoliation, so this is a really great thing. It's sort of a 2-for-1. It's a scrub and a skin lightener at the same time. The recipe for this scrub and all the things I'm going to give you today will be in the video description box, so be sure that you check that out at the end of the video. And I also have a couple of videos that I'm going to talk to you about at the end of the video, so stay with me so you get all the tips and treatments that'll work for you in this problem. Okay, for this particular scrub, you're going to need a ½ teaspoon of lemon, you're going to need a tablespoon of sugar, and a teaspoon of coconut oil, and you're going to mix that all together and make sort of a paste, and you're going to apply it to the skin and lightly massage it into the skin for no more than 2 minutes, because what we're wanting to do is just exfoliate that old skin off while the lemon is able to sink into the skin and even out dark spots and discolorations. This is an amazing first step to see what kind of results you can get in lightening your skin on yourself and evening out that skin tone. Amazing, amazing exfoliation scrub. Highly recommend you try this one first and foremost. This next treatment is really interesting. It's tomato juice, honey, and lemon juice, but just a few drops of lemon juice. And you're gonna take these ingredients and you're gonna make kind of a mask, kind of like a pack for your face. So it takes a tablespoon of tomato juice, a tablespoon of honey, and 2 to 3 drops of lemon juice. You're gonna mix that together and apply it to the skin and leave it on for 15 minutes. What's going to happen while it's on your skin is the acids in the tomato juice and lemon juice are going to completely lighten and even out the skin. It's a great, great skin brightener, and it works very, very well. So again, you leave it on for 15 minutes and then you wash it out with warm water and pat dry. You will notice results from this treatment the very first time. If you do this every other day for about a week to 2 weeks, you should see a really big improvement in the brightness and evenness of your skin tone. You really think you'll love this treatment. This next skin evening treatment is really great if you're suffering from acne or you're having breakouts when you're trying to do these methods. This one will work for you. It's one of my all-time favorites. It has 2 ingredients you're gonna be extremely familiar with from me, and that's cucumber and lemon juice. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take ½ a cucumber and you're gonna grate it up into a bowl. You can put this in the food processor and make a mush out of it, but grating it is just fine. And you're gonna chill that for ½ an hour. To that, you're gonna add a tablespoon of lemon juice. You're gonna stir that up and you're gonna apply that to the skin as a compress. And again, leave this on for 15 minutes. The cucumber is going to totally calm down your acne breakout. At the same time, the lemon juice is doing its work in lightening and brightening the skin. So this is a really great treatment. Again, if you're having breakouts of any kind or you have an ongoing acne condition, this will help you tremendously, especially with the little red marks that acne leaves behind when it heals. You'll find that this particular treatment is perfect for that. Now, for those of you who like over-the-counter products, and I know there are a few of you out there, there are a couple of products that I will recommend. Again, I'll put these links down in the video description box. The first is a Glycolic Gel that is 30%. It's Regisol Glycolic Gel, and it is a 30% AHA or alpha hydroxy acid solution that you apply to the skin. And what this does is it speeds turnover as it brightens and lightens the skin. So over time, as you use this product, you will see your skin, the cellular turnover will speed up and you will see bright, fresh, newer skin brought to the surface on an ongoing basis. So this is sort of a long-term thing. Even if you're doing the natural ones, AHA of some kind is very good to use. I've used that stuff for years. Since the late 80s, it has paid huge benefits off for me. So I totally think it's something you should look into. The next product I'm going to talk about is a vitamin C serum. And you know, we've talked a lot about treatments today that have lemon juice, obviously vitamin C in it. Well, a vitamin C serum is a concentrated form of vitamin C, and it is great for this problem, especially for those of you who have sun damage and discoloration with aging. It will help with all of them, including the acne marks, but particularly those of you who have a lot of sun damage or you have very uneven discoloration. Vitamin C serum over time can make a huge difference in your skin, almost as much of a difference as a skin peel. And I know several of you guys have concerns about skin peels being a little harsh or a little rough on your skin. So vitamin C serum is a great way to start off and try to see what kind of results you can get. I use Clear Revolution Skincare's vitamin C serum. It is endorsed by me and formulated by me. You don't have to use that one. Again, I'll put that in the video description box, but there are a host of these products out there. Just make sure they're super concentrated. You want as much vitamin C in the serum as you can possibly get. And for more ways to brighten and lighten your skin naturally, including a couple of ways to do it with makeup to cover it and give yourself even skin tone, I have a couple of videos I'm going to put up over here. I'd love for you to take a minute to go and watch them. So hit the little notification bell, and I will see you over on the next one.